Alright, so here we're gonna do the first startup. So the lights blink right here. Let me try to turn this on from here. It's gotta be one of these. I don't even. It's the bottom one. So it looks like there's backlight in there. Whoa. There's some nice graphics right there. So it says you can connect the remote. So now let's turn
Connect
yellow.
your controller to the console with the USB cable and press the PS button. Connected. Select your language. Continue with the screen reader turned on. Continue. Please wait. Set up internet connection. Select a Wi-Fi network or connect a LAN cable to your PS. Password. Input field display area. The circles should fill the screen without showing black borders. If the circles are cut off, or you see black borders, press the up and down buttons to adjust the display area. Adjust HDR 1 out of 3. Adjust your PS5's HDR, high dynamic range, setting to optimize the video quality of your games. Press the up and down buttons to adjust the brightness until the symbol is barely visible. Select the next button to skip the adjustment. You can adjust this later in the settings menu.
Visible, right?
To make the symbol brighter, adjust HDR 2 out of 3. Adjust this setting a second time. Press the up and down buttons to adjust the brightness until the symbol is barely visible. To make the symbol, adjust HDR 3 out of 3. One last time. Press the up and down buttons to adjust the brightness until the symbol is barely visible. Select the OK button to skip the adjustment. You can adjust this later in the settings menu. Insert a game disc. If you have a game disc, insert it now and wiggle button back.
Alright, so this is a Spider-Man game here.
Customized experience. Okay. PlayStation 5 system I agree. Please wait. Update system software. Update the system. System software update. Please wait. Loading. Update. Button. System software update.
So after the update, it'll restart itself.
Press the PS button on your controller. Wireless controller device software. To move, press the right and left buttons. Updating the wireless controller device software. Don't turn off your PS5 or unplug the USB cable from the controller. 0%. Restarting your control. Sign in. Sign in manually. Be seen and socialize. Button. Press cross to select. Social and open. It's easy. Data collection. Help us build. Secure your account. You will stay signed into PlayStation Network on this PS5 unless you sign out from settings. The following is recommended. Two-step verification. Protect your account with an extra layer of security. 2-step verification. On screen. Download media apps. Transfer data from your PS4. Quickly finish configuring your PS5 by bringing over your users, games, and saved data from your PS4. Setup is complete. Welcome to your PlayStation 5. Explore. Home for Caesar Escort. Button. Press cross to select. 2 of 10. L1 button or R1 button switch homes. Options button options. For more content, press the down button. Explore. Astro's Playroom. Home for Caesar Escort. Button. Discover the future of play with intergalactic platforming hero Astro. Play. PlayStation Plus. Home for Caesar Escort. PlayStation Now. Home for Caesar Escort. Welcome to subscribe to button. Press cross to select.
Oh, it's like Game
Triangle
Pass.
button. Utility. Late collections. Press the curate image button. Collection. Browse. Media gallery. Share Factory Studio. Home for Caesar Escort. Remote play. Marvel Spider-Man. Miles Morales. Home for Caesar Escort. Button.